Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01753 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So I am creating the cluster, create cluster, employee number underscore cluster, with the column called employee number with the number data type. Okay, now I am going to create one table. So I am going to create one table, employees. Okay, and name column with varchar2 data type, designation as varchar2 data type. So employees table contains 3 columns: employee number with the number data type, name with varchar2 data type, designation with varchar2 data type. Now I am mapping the employee number underscore cluster. So inside the bracket I have given the name column. See here, ORA-01753 column definition incompatible with cluster column definition. So here the cluster column is actually employee number, but I have specified the name column. Okay, so which is a error. So we need to specify employee number there. Okay, employee number should match with the employee number. So that is the fix for this ORA-01753, which means that make sure that all table columns specified in the cluster clause of the create table statement are compatible with the corresponding columns.